Imagine this. You open your closet, full of clothes that once made you feel unstoppable, and nothing quite fits the same way anymore. The waistbands pinch, the fabrics cling in all the wrong places, and suddenly you're staring at a body that feels both familiar and brand new. If you're navigating life after menopause, you're not alone. Hormones shift, metabolism slows, and the extra padding often settles right around the middle, the infamous menopause belly. Skin gets drier, temperature swings hit hard, and confidence can take a hit. But here's the exciting truth. This is your invitation to a whole new chapter of style, one that celebrates the woman you are now, wiser, freer, and ready to dress for comfort, joy, and power. Today we're diving into what actually fits, what flatters, and how to rebuild your wardrobe so you feel amazing every single day. Let's turn those body changes into your secret style weapons. Let's talk honestly about what's happening. Lower estrogen levels mean your body stores fat differently, often more around the abdomen, hips, and thighs. Muscle mass can decrease, skin loses some elasticity, and hot flashes make breathable fabrics non-negotiable. Weight gain of even just a few pounds feels different because it's redistributing. But listen, this isn't about fixing yourself. It's about evolving. Stop mourning the old size and start discovering what makes this version of you shine. The goal? Clothes that move with you, regulate temperature, skim rather than squeeze, and highlight your best features, whether that's your gorgeous smile, strong shoulders, or fabulous legs. The biggest mindset shift? Embrace it. Your body carried you through decades. Now, let's dress it with love and intention. Rule number 1, prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. Breathable fabrics are your new best friends. Think soft cottons, bamboo, modal, lightweight linens, and silky blends that glide over skin instead of sticking. Avoid anything too tight or synthetic that traps heat. Principle 2. Structure with softness. High-waisted bottoms are game changers. They smooth the midsection, provide gentle support, and create a beautiful, elongated silhouette. Pair them with tunics, wrap tops, or relaxed button-ups that skim your curves. Monochrome dressing, a column of one colour from head to toe, is pure magic. It creates a long, streamlined line that minimises the waist area and makes you look taller and more put together. Black, navy, deep jewel tones, or soft neutral. Pick what makes you glow. Layering isn't just practical for those temperature roller coasters. It's stylish. A fitted tank under a lightweight cardigan or blazer adds dimension, covers areas you're self-conscious about, and lets you adjust on the fly. Busy patterns? Yes, please. They distract the eye beautifully from any lumps or bumps, and never underestimate the power of fit. Tailored doesn't mean tight. Look for pieces with stretch, empire waists, A-line shapes, and wrap styles that define without clinging. Let's build some real outfits for everyday ease. High-waisted, wide-leg pants or ponte trousers in a stretch fabric, topped with a V-neck or scoop-neck tunic that drapes softly. Add a statement necklace and you're instantly polished. Love dresses, wrap dresses, A-line midi or maxi styles, and empire waist cuts are incredibly forgiving and feminine. They flow over the midsection while accentuating your bust or legs. Choose prints or rich solids in breathable fabrics. Throw on a denim jacket or cozy cardigan for versatility. For work or evenings, a structured blazer over a flowy top and tailored pants creates authority and comfort. Or try a jumpsuit. Wide leg versions in soft knits are effortlessly chic and hide a multitude of changes. Leggings? Absolutely, but elevate them. Pair high-waisted ones with long tunics or oversized shirts for coverage and style. And don't forget shoes. supportive yet cute flats, stylish sneakers, or low block heels that keep you steady and confident. Accessories are your secret sauce. Bold earrings draw attention upward. Scarves add colour and texture while helping with temperature swings. A great belt can cinch at the smallest part, often right under the bust. For definition, statement bags and fun shoes pull everything together. This isn't just about clothes, it's about reclaiming joy in getting dressed. Start small, go through your closet and keep only what feels good right now. Donate or sell the rest without guilt. Invest in a few quality pieces that mix and match: a perfect blazer, versatile pants, a couple of go-to dresses. Play with colour. Menopause is your permission slip to wear what lights you up. Vibrant hues that boost your mood and reflect your vibrant spirit. Remember, posture and attitude amplify everything. Stand tall, smile at yourself in the mirror, and own your presence. Style at this stage is less about trends and more about authenticity. You're not hiding, you're highlighting the incredible woman you've become. So, as your body changes, let your style evolve with it. Embrace the fabrics that feel like a hug, the silhouettes that flatter your new shape, and the confidence that comes from dressing for the woman you are today. You deserve to feel beautiful, comfortable, and powerful every single day. Menopause isn't the end of looking and feeling fabulous. It's the beginning of a wiser, bolder version of you. Go raid that closet, try something new, and step out into the world shining. You've earned this. Thank you for joining me today. Now go celebrate that beautiful changing body of yours. Until next time, dress with joy.